Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows XP on a virtual machine. So let's get started. Now to get started, we need to click on New. Then type in the name you want for the virtual machine. Now to make it simple, I'm going to name it as Windows XP 64-bit. And yes, I'm using a 64-bit version and I'm selecting 64-bit. And now it is a good time to tell you to download the ISO file of the software. Next, it shows how much amount of memory you will need for the virtual machine. For that, I'm just going to give 512 megabytes. Then click Next. Then it asks you to create a virtual disk. For that, I'm going to click on Create a new virtual hard disk and select Next. Next, I'm leaving the hard disk file type as it is and click Next. Then I'm setting the storage space to 100 gigs and click OK. And don't go ahead and click Start because we need to add the software. To do that, click on Settings. Now under the Display tab, select Enable 3D Acceleration. Next, click on Storage and here under the controller.ide, we can see two files. Now click on Empty and in the right side, click on the CD-like icon and select Choose a disk file. Then select the downloaded ISO file and click Open. Then click OK. Then go ahead and start the machine. It should straight away go to the boot screen, but if it doesn't, like mine, then click the down arrow and select the ISO file. Now we got the boot screen. Let me switch it to full screen. After you see a screen like this, press Enter to install Windows XP. Then press F8. Now we need to partition the hard drive. I am partitioning it to 25 gigs. Now I have partitioned the whole disk. I selected volume C and pressed Enter. Now to format the disk, I have chosen NTFS file system. It took almost 15 minutes and now it shows that it is copying files. This process also took almost 15 minutes. Now it shows that the computer will reboot in 15 seconds. Press Enter. And don't press any key when this menu pops up. Now we are getting into Windows XP 64 default boot screen. After booting, you will get a menu like this. It might take a while. So now it is installing devices. After that, you will see a menu similar to this. Now to keep it simple, I'm going to click Next. I'm going to name this machine Windows XP and it asks for a product key. So now I have entered the product key and clicked Next and left the name as it is and clicked Next. Now I'm going to leave the time as it is and now it is installing network. Now I'm going to leave it as it is and next and next. And now it is copying the files. And now it is saying it is saving the settings. It took almost an hour to complete. Now it is removing the temporary files and starts to reboot. and now it says that it is applying computer settings, and after some minutes it directly logs on to Windows XP and everything works as expected. Also, there are download links for the software. Link is in the description. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.